Do you know what is the work of CNC? Do you want to know how to make your own writing machine? Then you are in the right place. Here you will get the tutorial of how to make a CNC easily at your home. So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. If you missed the previous part, please check the description for better understand. In this part, you will get to know how to design the circuit of a CNC, and we also discuss how to program the CNC machine using the Benbox software. Firstly, take the Arduino Uno and fix it on the CNC machine. After this, take the CNC shield, and then you have to short these 3 pins. Here you can see we already shorted these pins. Just like the similar way, you have to short these pins and then fix the CNC shield on the Arduino. Now take the stepper motor driver A4988 and fix it in the CNC shield. Always remember that the potentiometer of the motor driver must be facing inside the CNC shield. Here in the CNC shield, you can see there is a mark of X-axis and Y-axis. And in the machine, the motor of the upper side is considered as X-axis and the motor of the base is considered as Y-axis. Now connect the stepper motors of X-axis and Y-axis in the given slot of CNC shield. Now you have to connect the servo in the CNC shield. In the shield you can see this is plus 5 volt pin, this is ground pin and this one is plus Z pin. Take these 3 jumper wires and connect the servo pins in the CNC shield. Connect the positive pin of the servo with the plus 5 volt pin. Connect the negative pin of the servo with the ground pin. Connect the signal pin of the servo with the plus Z pin. After everything is done, connect the Arduino with your computer and then give a 5 volt DC supply to the CNC shield. Open the Benbox software and follow the steps what I do. Firstly, go to the left corner and select the language. Then click here and choose the COM port and the Arduino type, and then choose the firmware. Now click here and upload the firmware. After it, click in the close button. Then go to the right side and click on the 3 bars and follow the steps. Firstly, you have to select the COM port, and then here are some settings which you have to do as per your motor type and construction. After this, come to the carb mode and select outline and then select the servo. Now in this page you have to do the same as I do. Define the step pin of X-axis 2 and Y-axis 3. After it, define the direction pin of X-axis 5 and Y-axis 6. Then you have to set up the PPM as per your motor type. Now we have to define the servo pins 11 and 0. After all the setup, select a picture from the gallery and click on the run button. In this way, you can choose any picture from your gallery and then run the CNC. Now the CNC will draw the same picture that I have in the computer screen.